Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. Today we'll be talking to Sesame Miles about the word goodbye. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and talk to Sesame about this topic. Let's just go over to.
What's up?
Hey Miles, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. Just cruising. What's on your mind today?
So I wanted to ask you a few questions about the word bye bye.
Bye bye. Huh?
Yeah.
Uh, the classics. I'm down. What you
So
want to know?
where does the word goodbye actually no? What does the word goodbye actually mean?
It's actually a bit of a throwback. It's a contraction of God be with ye. People just shaved it down over time until it became like the goodbye we use now. Pretty wild how like a religious blessing just turned into a casual wave. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. And where did the word goodbye originate
Right?
from?
It basically grew out of that same phrase, God be with ye. It started popping up
Yeah.
in the late
No,
1500s.
1500.
People were just,
So it is also about
yeah,
five centuries old, just like hurry up.
exactly. It's like these words just hit a stride around that time and decided to
Yeah.
stick. Very cool that you caught that connection.
And why do people say
You're on
goodbye?
a roll with these timing parallels. What else
Why do people say
you
goodbye?
asking why people say it?
Yeah.
Honestly, it's just
Yes.
it's basically the social contract of leaving. Like you can't just vanish into thin air. That's just awkward. It's a way to signal the end of an
Yeah.
interaction so the other person isn't left hanging. Plus, since it started as a blessing, there's still that lingering vibe of wishing someone well until you see them again. You ever feel like goodbye is too final? That's probably why people lean on see ya or later instead.
And is goodbye the same as
Anytime.
farewell? Hello?
Goodbye is your everyday standard exit. Farewell feels way more dramatic, like you're boarding a ship for 3 years or ending a relationship. It's got this might be the last time I see you energy. You don't exactly say
Yes.
farewell to the cashier at the grocery store. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, correct.
Right? You look like you're in a period drama. What else is on the list for bye bye? Exactly. Still
Uh,
got more questions on this, or are we
yes.
moving on to something else?
Yeah, more
I'm
questions.
all ears.
What are
Whether
some
it's more on the farewell front or something,
what are some different ways to say
I'm
goodbye in
locked in.
English?
Man, English has a million ways to do this depending on who you're talking to. You got your basics like see ya or take care. Then you go more casual with later, peace out, or just a simple I'm out. If you're feeling a bit more
Correct.
formal, you might go with it was a pleasure seeing you. It's kind of like a sliding scale of how much you actually care about seeing them again.
Yes. And what role does body language play when saying goodbye?
Body language is basically the subtitles for the word.
Hmm.
A wave is the standard, but a hug or a handshake completely changes the meaning. Like a quick wave says, "All right, I'm going," but a long hug says, "I'm actually gonna miss you."
Yeah,
Even the way
correct.
you walk away, if you keep looking back, it's different than just turning and bolting. It's all about that unspoken energy.
Yeah.
You know
So
what I'm saying?
thank you so much for helping me right now today. So let's meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Anytime, man. It was a blast. I'll be here.
So as you all saw today, we talked to Sesame about the work bye bye, and we learned quite a few new things about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.